Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to contact the TikTok support team. All right, let's begin. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and tap the menu icon in the top right corner of your profile page. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and open the Help Center. Inside the Help Center, tap on Chat with Us to access TikTok support options. Now select the category related to your issue. For example, you can choose Account if you are locked out of your profile or having login problems. Once the chat window opens, tap the search or message box and type Talk to someone. Then send the message. TikTok will then provide an option to submit a support ticket. Tap the Submit a Ticket button and describe your issue clearly. You can explain problems such as account recovery, hacked accounts, banned accounts, or profile information changes. After entering all the details, tap Submit. TikTok will notify you that a support agent has received your request. Once the support team replies, you will receive the response directly inside the Help Center inbox. You can also return to the Help Center anytime to check the status of your ticket and view updates from the TikTok support team. So that's basically how you can contact the TikTok support team. That's it for this video. Thanks.